Happy birthday to you.
What's happening?
She doesn't understand. I love you.
Hello.
What's up, Toa Squad? This is going to be an emotional, crazy, and nerve-wracking video today. I am about to do something insane. I'm about to give Rachel her dream gift. 14 years ago, I took $50 and bought Rachel and I a car because that's really what we had. And it was this rinky-dink, old school 80s Honda. And I told Rach after I brought it home, she didn't feel safe in it, even though it was a great car. It was safe, it was gonna run for a while. And I said, well, with this $50, I will buy you your dream car. She said, that's not possible. I said, I'm going to sell this Honda and I'm gonna go to this friend of mine who had a car dealership. And I said, I'm gonna take that, whatever I earn, and I'm gonna buy a couple more cars. And then I'm gonna sell those and buy a couple more cars. Took a couple months, about 6 months. Then I had $8,000 in cash. And I went and I bought this used Subaru Forester. And that was the dream car. That's what Rach wanted. But that SUV had some issues, and so we had to get those issues fixed. And then I did a real estate deal for somebody, and instead of taking a commission, I took a new minivan. Because we had that van, she forgot about the dream car. In the last 14 years, I have not forgotten about getting her her dream car with that $50. I kept the money on the side when I could, when I paid myself, and whenever things happened, and I kept putting money in this side account. Then, started another business. Put some money in there, put some stuff into that side account. Kept the side account growing. It has been 14 years, and that side account is very substantial now. And so now I'm going to buy Rach her dream car. And since you saw the title of this video, you know I ended up trying to get her a Tesla. I knew there were new ones coming out, the range was getting longer, and some of the new features that are pretty amazing. So I waited out until this last round of Teslas were finished with some of these new features, and I ordered one. I ordered the car using my good friend Dan Markham from What's Inside and the What's Inside family. I used his code, and come to find out, it was his 100th Tesla referral. And so Dan is now going to help me from this part to the next part that you'll see. Dan and I are coming up with an amazing plan, almost prank, but not, to give Rach this car for her birthday. So we'll see, here we go, stay tuned. I'm nervous, I'm not sleeping well. Rach is out of town. I'm freaking out inside, my anxiety. I'm not an anxious person, but I'm super anxious right now because this is the craziest thing I have ever done. All right, since the last part, it's been a couple days. We had to reorganize some things. The car just came in this morning. I am leaving with Dan in his Tesla X in a couple minutes here. We're gonna go pick up the Tesla. Rach gets home, and then we're gonna bring it back and pull the surprise. So I have to pretend I'm going on this trip to Las Vegas right now to do some stuff, look at some tiny homes that I'm working on for a project, and then come home. And so I have to go there. I have to go to this tiny home place. We're gonna have lunch. I'm gonna take some stories there so that she thinks I'm going for that. But then I'm gonna go and pick up the Tesla, and then I'm gonna bring it back and then park it a couple blocks away behind our church. And then Dan's gonna park his car, get in my Tesla, come back here with GoPros and everything hooked up to ask us, and Rach specifically, what she thinks of his new Tesla and what she thinks of the 7-seater, because that's what I got, so we can fit most of our family in it for road trips and other things like that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get in Dan's car. Oh, he's here. Okay, guys, I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh, you guys, today's been amazing. Got some donuts to take the family off the scent that I've been driving that thing, that incredible machine, for the last 2 hours. Oh my goodness. Rach is gonna freak out, you guys. So, Dan Markham and I left early today, super early in the morning. We went down to Las Vegas and we went through all the stuff with Tesla, and all of that is in Dan's video on his channel. Link is down below. What's Inside Family. And holy cow. After you're done with this one, go over and check that one out. That's the whole process of buying it, me messing up, not knowing what to do with the car, me being an old, like, archaic, like, gas-powered human that doesn't know what to do with these things. It was hilarious. So now, Dan is coming in his, and we are going to switch. He's gonna get in that, GoPro's in it, everything, and now we're gonna surprise Rach. Okay, you guys, so I'm here. I'm in the car right now. So Clay isn't home right now. She's actually out jogging, and I'm looking at her location. She's gonna come by this park in about 5 minutes. So I wanna surprise her and see what she does. So these cars have amazing features. I am going to press this Christmas button. Here's the Christmas show. So I'm gonna exit, close all the doors, and once I press the lock button, it's going to go. Once I press that lock button, hopefully Clay is gonna come running around this corner and see the car dancing, and I'm gonna hide in the park. You guys, there she is. Do you see her? Okay, ready? Push the button. What are you talking about?
What is this? Is that ours?
That's just a toy car. What are you talking about? That's not a car key.
No, it's not. It's way nicer than a toy car.
Press the top button.
It's ours! What the frickers?
So, guess whose it is?
Mine.
No, stop it. That's not yours?
Oh my gosh! This is so cool!
Isn't this awesome?
This is amazing. Mom's gonna love it.
That was so much fun. So now I'm gonna go and park it back at the church because Dan was delayed just a little bit so that he can pick it up, and now we'll surprise Rach. Here we go, this is crazy.
Hello.
Mr. Jace Bennett.
Yes, sir.
Hey, are you around today?
I am around.
Okay, so I've got a huge favor to ask. I don't want to ruin your Saturday or anything. But
Yeah.
is your whole family around today?
Everyone but Clay is here.
Everyone but Clay. Okay. So I'm doing a video with my Tesla, and I want to show what it's like to have a full Tesla full of people, and I only have 5 people in my family. We got like 7 seatbelts in this car. Can I come over and just get, like, it'll only take like 10 minutes, but get you guys just to all squeeze into my Tesla, go on a little ride. I don't even have to be in it. I have some GoPros in here, but I just want to get like a reaction from a big family riding in a Tesla to see what it's like.
Okay, yeah. Let's do it.
Okay, all right, I'll be quick, I promise. I need to know the thoughts of, like, I'm doing like this reaction video. I've had a few different families ride in it, but I haven't had anybody with 7 in it. I just like see what you think. Like, is it doable, feasible for somebody that has 7?
Holy cow, this is so nice.
Let me try getting this GoPro turned on. Thank you guys. Sorry, I know you're like super busy.
So cool. I want one of these cars.
You want one of these cars?
We actually took, what model is this?
X.
Okay, so. But are you guys comfortable back there?
Yeah!
Yeah. They're so excited.
All right, Mom. Can you drive this smart of a car?
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I just don't want to hurt it. Like, I'm worried about hurting this nice car. It's like, it's so pretty and fancy.
It's like your new shoes that
Punch
you
it. Let
never
the kids feel you
want.
punch it.
For the record, that was only 30 miles an hour.
That still felt a lot faster.
It really was.
All right, well, we like the car. And you guys know,
Is it comfy?
it's so comfy.
Yes, come on!
This is literally go slow.
Do you guys, you know what this reminds me of?
What?
When Mom and I first lived in Hawaii with Clay, and I told Mom that I was gonna take $50 and buy her dream car. Guess what I did over the last 14 years, you guys?
What?
I invested that $50 for 14 years, and guess what happened to it?
What?
Happy birthday
No.
to you.
No.
Happy
Are
birthday
you
to
serious?
you.
No.
Happy birthday, Mama Ohana.
Wait, what's happening?
No.
Happy birthday to you.
What's happening?
She doesn't understand. No,
I bought this for Mom for her birthday.
Really?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I legitimately did take that $50 and I've been keeping it in a side account and investing it until it was the value of this. And then I just went today and bought you this for your birthday. I actually bought it months ago.
Was this your part? Was this your meeting?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Oh my gosh. That's so nice. You got Kelly. Are you serious?
Yep, this is your car. I couldn't put your name into it until now I can create
This is my car,
Mama.
not your car.
Look! Now it's Mama's car.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
So I was able to save and save and save and invest and save over 14 years, and I bought Mom the safest, smartest car in the world.
Does it self-drive?
Yes, it does. I self-drove all the way back from Vegas.
Wait, you drove this?
I did, and I parked it at the church, and I left my car at the church, and Dan went down with me, and we vlogged it on his channel, and
Are
now
you
this is for
serious?
our channel.
Oh my gosh.
Mom,
This is crazy.
It's the gas. More gas, Mama.
One more time.
It's like a roller coaster.
Oh my gosh!
Where do I park it?
In the driveway!
Dad, I was like this.
Okay. Mom, this is why I
my
cleaned
gosh.
the garage so much. This is why I got stuff done.
Can we get out?
Happy birthday to you.
I actually don't want to get out.
Wait, let's...
Wait,
Open,
Dad, it's gonna hit the
open.
car. Oh, it's gonna hit the... Oh, goodness.
Nope.
Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday,
crazy.
dear
Let's-
Mama.
Hello.
Happy
Oh my
birthday
God.
to you.
How do I turn it off?
Thank you.